Our Turk family, we're back with Ellie, nervous Ellie, as I call her. She's a very nervous rider. She is doing good with Ellie. Well, she's here, but I got her eating in the house. Oh, there, she found it in herself. All right, so we're just working on shaping the heel, and we'll add that down. It's going to be the same thing with Ava. And when you've got them around the house, when they're even in any proximity to each other, you guys are going to be making them both down. It's not going to be one downing, the other one doing. It's going to be everybody hit the dirt. So remember, this is a very sensitive dog, so I'm buffering. I'm still deliberate about my actions, but I have a halting way of walking. I'm actually just turning on my heel right there. I'm not going in circles like I was with that other one. And remember, this is the dog that balks, so I want to work and work and work with the dog and then later confront the balk. Very deliberate. You know, if anything, my body language is directing the dog to look more towards my feet. All right, guys, she's doing great. More updates soon.